Welcome to life on Georgian Bay, where the waters truly sparkle like diamonds. I'm Shauna Bonterre with Royal LePage, and join me at 120 Paradise Bay Road, where it really is like living in paradise. This custom all-stone bungalow features a walkout basement to the backyard of your dreams. An abundance of light pours in the windows of the oversized primary bedroom, complete with a beautiful ensuite bathroom. The custom all-white kitchen is complete with a beautiful island, quartz counters, and stainless steel appliances, perfect for entertaining all of your guests. An expansive deck with glass railings is perfect for entertaining or cozy up in the sunroom. The lower level walkout basement features a fitness room, family room, bedroom, bathroom, and plenty of storage. The custom stone patio and landscaping is second to none, with 188 feet of water frontage complete with armor stone boulders. Imagine hosting well into the evening with your favorite cocktail, watching the sunset over Georgian Bay with all your friends. I'm Shauna Bonterre, your Scott McGillivray trusted agent in Georgian Bay. Do not wait to call Paradise Bay your own piece of paradise.